We should be able to teleport to it together.
Yay!
I think, if I remember, it's some kind of, I think it's a mine, like an abandoned mine.
Oh, cool.
I'm not sure where exactly. It takes a little while for it to load for me, though.
I'm just this, yellow swirling thing in the sky right now.
Spirited in the sky. Oh, do we make it to the... Oh, I think we made it to, Yes, it's the asteroid. You're gonna love this.
Cool. We're in outer space now.
What's up?
That's so awesome. Oh, there's the Earth back there.
Look at what's right here.
Is he tame?
It's a doggo. See the doggo?
Oh, he's so cool.
But look.
Hey,
This
doggy.
is, Infinity Express.
Oh, cool.
You can shop for stuff here if you hit E. They
Oh,
sell cloth.
wow.
They sell woven fabric.
That is so cool.
I might buy some actually.
I bought some because there was something that I wanted to
Oh, yeah,
see.
save your money for right now though, because I think we can get some stuff later. Yeah.
Okay. I was trying to make a flag. I don't have a copper bar anyway, so never mind.
Oh yeah, if you make a flag, you can actually teleport to it, so it's a good thing.
Hey, people! There's lots of people here.
Yep, you can talk to them. I want to take this stuff, but I can't. Oh, they're closed up right now, but this shop will open here shortly.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this is the asteroid hub. Like, it's a big, like, you can actually cook right here.
Oh,
Which is
cool.
really cool. I can make pearl pea risotto.
That sounds yummy.
It is.
We need some risotto right now. I need
Is
to
it
cook for you.
pronounced Risotto? Yes, I can't wait.
I think that might just be a cultural thing. I say things weirdly.
Oh, I can make corn on the cob. I can make mashed potatoes.
Oh, I'm gonna make you some corn cobs.
I'm gonna make pearl pea broth.
Alright.
Oh, gross.
What? What's gross?
Oh, wortweed, apparently.
Ew.
There's lots of different like stuff on different planets. And
Ah, I didn't mean to eat it. Damn it.
oh, no worries. I actually...
I meant to give it to you, and
No worries, babe. I got plenty of food, I think, right now.
believe me,
I
sorry.
got tomato juice. Oh, careful. You're making beepy noises.
I just fell down and died. I didn't die, but you know,
Almost died.
almost died. Hi, dude, I'm gonna sit with you.
Risotto.
I mean, there's much more to life than flying. There's a whole universe to explore. No, flying is the only purpose.
He's got a point. Okay, so check this out. Up here is a really good area. This guy right here will let you upgrade your stuff if you talk to him. I think he has a question.
Cool.
Yeah, if you
Oh, he's
get
got an exclamation point on his head.
Yes, if you get tech cards, you can upgrade and you can get stuff like this. And like the rocket boots, and you see how I can actually dash.
Oh, cool.
When I run, I can dash. Like, this is where you get the upgrades for that.
That is so cool.
Oh, I can air dash. I can sprint. I can do rocket jumps, wall jumps, pulse jumps. You just gotta use your tech cards to buy them.
That is so cool. Find the source of the mysterious message. Sorry, I was reading my quests. Okay, cool. Is that you rolling around?
Yes, it is. I'm trying to figure out, is it F by sphere dash by holding F? Okay.
Oh, cool.
I can do Sonic the Hedge.
That's what I was about to say was Sonic the Hedgehog.
Yeah.
Gotta go fast.
Yeah, this one's good, but it's not as good as Distortion Sphere. Oh, okay, gotcha. The Spike Sphere is the best. You know what game this is referencing, right? With the
the monster on Kirby.
No, but same company, close. It's actually Metroid.
Oh, okay.
The Samus.
On Kirby, there's this fireball thing, and he does that.
He needs a teddy bear.
Oh, a little dipper lost his dear teddy bear. I just can't finish setting up shop with him like this. Can you help me get a new teddy bear for him, please? I accept it. I don't know where I'll find a teddy bear, but
Do you see him? You see a little cub is like crying.
oh,
Is he cute?
he is. I feel so bad now.
It's okay. Once you get a teddy bear for him, I think you can actually make a teddy bear.
Oh, cool. Hey, bathroom stalls.
I'll join you.
Oh my gosh. That is very disturbing.
I wish there was a way to flush. That would have been great. It's a Black Knight. He's not saying anything.
I don't trust him.
He's making beepy noises. Oh yeah, this place will open soon too. Oh yeah, and this place will open as well. Like once you get done with everything you gotta do over here, it'll unlock.
I love running backwards.
Me too.
I need to put that on my resume. Can
Look at this
run
guy.
backwards.
Doesn't he look like he's got something to say later on? He's a quest giver.
Oh, cool. The time will come for you, Glitch. But you're not ready. Okay. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
This place is pretty cool. This is where you can upgrade your ship.
Oh, hi!
These little penguin guys work on stuff.
Oh, they're so cool.
But aren't these like 2D graphics super cool looking?
They are awesome.
I always love the way they look.
Have you ever played MapleStory?
No, but I think I remember.
MapleStory was the first multiple player that I ever played, and oh, it was awesome. It was the same kind of 2D graphics.
Oh god, I never played
I miss it. I need to play it again. My first video gamer friend, Paxton, I think their name's Matt now. That they introduced me to the game, and I played it with them a little. I never got really good at it, but
I think I remember like wanting to play it ages ago, but I never ended up playing it because I think I couldn't get it working or something.
I started having a lot of problem with it too. But oh, what's this? What's this blueness?
Is there any quests over here for you?
I don't know.
Ooh, click that and get the bookmark. You get a new bookmark, and that way you can teleport here whenever you need to.
Oh. Outposts, the Ark.
Yep, you can name your bookmarks too. But here, let's go over here. I think there's actually one more. Oh.
How do I make sure that I can? Do I have to? How do I?
I think you just hit enter. I think you should have it for good now, don't you?
Okay. Please commercially need help. Meet me in the Ark ruins just past the outpost. Okay, where's that?
Here, check this out real quick. Want to see something pretty cool?
Yeah.
Oh no, I can't do it here. There we go.
Oh, that's awesome. What is that?
Get on in.
Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Oh my goodness.
Isn't it cool?
Ah, that's awesome.
I can actually floor it. I can take